Hello, I'm meteorologist Ted KOLR. Back on this date in 2003, we had a tornado outbreak in southwest Missouri. 3 separate supercells. One of the supercells was producing multiple tornadoes, 2 of which affected us here in southwest Missouri. They were killer storms, and in recent record, we just hadn't had anything that violent up until that date. What I'm about to show you is a special that KOLR 10 and Fox 27 put on called Countdown to Disaster, which sums up the situation pretty well.
We just wanted to give you a heads up.
Wow. We've done for a violent tornado. We have Tom Turton on the phone.
There is rotation at this time.
Tell the tornado's getting ready to go through right.
We've had reports of a significant tornado on the ground. Very, very dangerous situation. Take cover immediately.
The vortex looks to be much wider now.
I've been here quite a while and never have seen anything of this magnitude.
Keep going, Tom. It's coming our way. Right down the road. Keep going. It's coming our way.
We will stay here all evening.
No one will ever know why exactly 3 supercell thunderstorms initially developed where they did on May 4th, 2003. While all meteorologists knew that these thunderstorms would produce tornadoes along their path, no one could have anticipated the tremendous violence these storms would impart on the Ozarks. The first strike came from the northernmost storm as it tore across Crawford County, Kansas. Storm chasers Paul Servatka and Matt Powers were in torrential rain and large hail, looking for the storm.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh my God! To the right, tornado! Large tornado!
Right.
Stop!
Tornado on the right! Call someone.
Holy shit! Come here. Look straight ahead, right there. See, look straight ahead.
I can't focus.
Look down, right ahead. Yeah, there's a large tornado on the ground. Between Brazelton and Girard. It is heading east.
The Weather Lab received reports of a long-lived violent tornado with this storm. What the Weather Lab didn't know and couldn't have known was that this storm was producing a high-end F4 tornado. This wasn't exactly news to storm chaser Jeff Petrowski, who was quickly converging on this supercell storm from the south.
This tornado is a half-mile wide. This tornado 1 mile west of Radley is what we are hearing right now. So,
miles north of Mulberry.
As this wide-mouthed monster approached liberal Missouri, it seemed to sputter and weaken. Suddenly, just a short distance to the south, a second twister started to grow. This supercell was producing a family of tornadoes.
Oh, no! This one's waking in, and I got another one on the ground on my east. The next one back east is taking over now.
Back in the weather lab, a large, well-defined hook echo began to take shape on radar as the storm crossed into Sear County, Missouri. The city of Stockton was right in the path of this deepening storm.
Here is the hook echo. The most dangerous part of the storm is right there where the tornado is likely to be, and I have every confidence that this storm is producing a tornado at this time. Maybe not continuously, maybe intermittently, but certainly it's going to keep doing so. There's no sign that this storm is weakening. As a matter of fact, this storm has strengthened here as we've been watching its progression off toward the northeast, a little bit north of east, actually. A very dangerous thunderstorm. Can't stress that enough. I know that a lot of times you see the little warning on your screen and you wonder how significant it is. This is about as significant as it gets, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very dangerous storm as it now enters Cedar County under a tornado warning in Cedar County.
Continuous on-air coverage began with reports of a tornado near Jericho Springs at 6:13 p.m.
Stop it. Stop repeating yourself.
Right here. He's got a satellite link too. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop right here.
Go up a little bit further.
Go up a little further. We're gonna go a little further. We're gonna see what's going on here.
Central Daylight Time for Cherokee County, Kansas, 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for
I got it. Looking off to our north-northwest.
No, crap. Turn off your flash, it won't help.
I know, I forgot to turn it off.
Road turns up here, Paul.
Oh man, okay, there is a large tornado is still on the ground in like near Vernon, Barton, Cedar County line.
Stockton's downtown was smashed by the tornado at about 6:30. The Stockton storm dominated our attention, but not for long. Some 50 miles to the southwest, two other supercells were closing in on our viewing area and could no longer be ignored. Fortunately, one of these supercells, which produced an F3 tornado over Carl Junction, quickly faded as it passed into Dade County. But the southernmost storm had a different idea.
Oh my God, there it is, there it is. Oh, look, it's huge. Oh, there it is. It's huge. Oh my God. It's huge.
See the ship flying up in the air? Seen a big chunk of something going up a while ago. Oh yeah. Not touched ground yet, but it's sure trying. It's down. Back up.
In the face of astronomical odds, another downtown area was about to be destroyed as Pierce City suffered the wrath of this storm. With fatalities reported in Stockton and now in the Pierce City Monette area, this was now a killer tornado outbreak for southwest Missouri. Two F3 tornadoes were on the ground at the same time on this Sunday evening. The northern storm would move over northern Polk County and into Dallas County. Surveys of damage reveal at one time two twisters were side by side, separated by about 100 yards in Dallas County. More lives would be lost in the Urbana and Tunis area before the tornado lifted near Lead Mine. The third in this wicked family of tornadoes developed in southern Camden County, crossing Highway 5 near Decaturville, killing 3 people. Doppler radar
it's gonna be
scans
there in the
continued to
next,
indicate a probable
half an hour or
tornado
so.
in
Yeah, it's
southern
moving pretty
Lawrence
quick.
County.
We'll move this over
Particularly
just a little bit to
worrisome
see
was the
what's going
storm's
on.
proximity
We
to
have,
Highway 60
basically
and
the
the
city of
major
Republic.
towns along that route. About this time, the Weather Lab dispatched a chase team down Highway 60 with the hopes of assessing the strength of this tornado. Sadly, we wouldn't be disappointed. The tornado took a path that bypassed the downtown areas of Verona, Aurora, and Marionville, but twisters don't need towns to deal death and chaos. Lives were lost north of Aurora and Marionville that evening.
In my ear.
There was
Go
increasing
ahead.
concern as to whether the path of this tornado would come close to Springfield. Initial indications pointed at Christian County, and indeed more death and damage occurred just north of Clever in Christian County. But careful analysis of the radar and spotter reports from north of Clever revealed a scary trend. This storm seemed to be turning a bit more to the north. This last little jog sealed the town of Battlefield's fate. Matt Gingery was at home in Battlefield. He had been watching storm coverage all evening and knew something ominous was headed his way. Tornado sirens verified his worst fears.
That's a well-defined wall cloud.
Please dial that damn number. My number. 773.
1778.
See all of them going up there?
Yes, I see it. You've got the rotation in it.
Oh, tornado.
Yeah.
It's right there. It's right to hit your guys' house.
Yeah, it's gonna hit it.
Here comes the hail. In the house.
Turn against the quarter and turn that TV down.
As soon as I grab it on the system, there it is. This is James River, Highway 160. In other words, this right here is South Campbell or South 160,
Hello?
I should say.
Yeah, it's right here. I'm filming it right now. I got debris falling in my yard. Holy I gotta get in the basement. Get in the basement. Right there. It's right there.
Get in there. Get in.
You there? Yeah, it's getting ready to hit my house. We're in the basement right now. There's three funnels. There's three of them on the ground.
This tornado ripped apart huge sections of the city of Battlefield and killed one person. It was on direct course for southern Springfield when suddenly it weakened, going through a rope stage right around South Golden and Weaver Road. The storm had been on the ground for a total of 45 miles and had killed 7 people.